Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 5 I can put into 1 plus 4. So this one that is about identities. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x plus 1 equal to number 2 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 4 tan t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1 we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dx. Because we have s, so I will put number 1 go to the right. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2 secant of t square dt. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. This one we have secant of t square. So I will put this one gone here, and that is about 2 tan t everything to the power of 2. About s, that is about this one. The s, that is about this one. Now we need to simplify. 4 minus 1 we have positive number 3. This one we have 4 tan t square. Number 4 and number 4 we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1 we change by secant of t square. And now we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. Number 2 divided by number 4, we have 1 over 2. So I will put 1 over 2 go outside. So tan t, that is about sin t over cosine t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 ln of the absolute value of cosine t. Number 3, that is about 3t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 2. And now we can find the value of t equal to arctan of s plus 1 over number 2. And now I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.